regarding SAT preparation, GRE, GMAT, and the international exams. So moving to the question number 1, I would like to tell you something. Okay, this is the question number 1 that has been asked in SAT exam, part of algebra. So question number 1 is saying that if RS is equal to 4, S2 is equal to 7, RT is equal to 16, and R is greater than 0, then how you will gonna find RST? So what exactly you are doing? Take a 30-second and do it yourself, or pause the video and we're gonna do that. Okay, so what exactly we have to do? We have given two variables product. RS is equal to 4, RT is equal to 7, RT is equal to 63. So what we're gonna do? So what we will do? We will multiply this. If RS into ST into RT. If we multiply this number 4 into 7 into 60, so what we will get? We will get over there are two RR, so there will be R square, S square, and T square. So this will be 4 into 7 into 63. So if you multiply this, for example, this is a calculator based question. If it is this, actually this is not a calculator based question, this was a non-calculator question. So you will solve that question and you will get around 4 into 21, 28 into 63. You will get around 1762. 1764. So what we have to find? We have to find the value of RST. So we will write S and T 1764. So what we will do is we will put a radical on both sides. So now we know that 1764, it will be difficult for you to remember that what exactly is 1764. So I told you in one of my video to how to find a square of any number. For example, B is the right option. So for example, you find a square of 42. So there is a formula, put 3 digits, 2, that will become 4 square, that will be 16. And then you have to find the value of C, which is equal to 4 into 2 into 2, that 4, 2, and 2. You have they made this 2 square 4, and then you put a 4, 16, and the 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 16. So what you do, 6 will be there and 1 will be there. So 1 plus 16, 1764. So 42 will be the right option. Okay. And now this question is related to the quadratic equation. And this is the advanced level question that has been asked. So you have to find the value of x. So you know that the formula of quadratic, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Okay, so you know that in that situation you have to make from standard quadratic equation x square minus 3t. Okay, let me do this, minus 1 over 3x. You will transfer that, so that will become v over 3x minus 3t is equal to 0. So if you make this in equation, x square plus bx plus c is equal to, this is the standard equation of quadratic. So here a is equal to 1 and b is become minus v over 3 and c become minus 3. So you will put the value a is equal to 1, b is equal to v over 3, and c is equal to minus 3. Just plug the value in that, minus b, that will be minus v over 3 plus minus V over 3 square, 4 into 1 into C minus 3t divided by 2 into 1. Okay, simplify this, minus into minus, that will be plus, and that will be V square divided by 9, that will be 4 12s are 4 3s are minus into minus plus 12t. Okay, and 2 into 1. So take a LCM of that, V over 3 plus minus V square 9 to 12, that will be 108 divided by 9 and whole divided by 2. So R will be X, so this is the X, V over 3 plus minus V square 108. So 9 is the perfect square. So when it comes out of radical, so the value will become 3 divided by 2. So this is the, take a LCM of 3, so that will become V plus minus V square plus 108 divided by 2 into 3. So the value, final value will be V plus minus V square 108, you will divide by 6 and 7, because this is 6, so you can break this down, V over 6 plus V over 6. So the final answer will be, that will be the C. Okay, so move to the number 3. This is the practice number SAT 10, and this is one of the, maybe I would say that it's an easier one, but that is a trickier one. So you understand the knowledge first, that what exactly question is asking, and then make a table or something and then solve it. So in question number 3, it is a question number 3, saying that in 2050, the population of city X and city Y were equal. Okay, from 2010 to 2015, the population of city X increased by 20%. All right, and the population of city Y decreased by 10%. All right, if the population of city X was 1,20,000 in 2010, what is the population of city Y in 2010? So from question, we can say that there are city X, and this is city X, and this is city Y. All right. So the period is that there is 2010 and 2000. We can write this. This information is given, right? So they are saying in 2015, the city of X and city of Y will be equal. So we would say that in whatever the population is city X in 2050, and whatever the population city Y in 2015, the population will be equal. All right. Now they're saying from 2010 to 2050, it means that from 2010 to 2050, the population of city X was increased by 20%. So far, suppose we don't know the city of X population in 2010 is, so we suppose A and suppose B, because they are not equal. That's why we are supposing A and B are different. And now they are saying that from 2010 to 2050, the population of increased by 20%. So if they were already 100%, and now the new population is increased by 20%, the total will be 120%. So if we simplify more in a decimal form, so that will be 1 over 2. So we will multiply in 1 over 2 of total, because in 2010 there was A population, then we multiply, it will increase by 20%. We will multiply. Same it goes for Y is decreased by 10%. So there was 100% original, 10% decrease. So there will be 90%. So that will be 0.9 in decimal form, 0.9 of B. So now we know that in 2015 the population is equal, and A is already given. In 2000 the population is already given, that is 1,20,000. So we know that 1.2 of 120,000, that will be equal. So that in 2015, the city population in X is 1,40,000. So it means that That will also be 144 because in 2015 they were equal. So now just find the value of B. That will equal, so B will be the right option. All right. I hope I make this question very much easier for you. It is an easier one, but you have to find out all the information in one time and then solve it step by step. Okay, question number 4. This is also hard of algebra, and they are asking 3x minus 2, 3x minus y, which is equal to 12. And now they're asking what is the value, or what is the value of the expression 8 power x into 2 power y. So now you knew that the 3x minus y is equal to 12. So you can't find the value of y or x in that, especially in real number value. So what you have to do, you have to simplify first the expression 8 power x and 2 power y. Whenever this type of question you have been given in SAT or GRE, whatever the exam you are giving, make sure that simplify first expression. Definitely there is a trick, that's why. So you can write this in that form 2 power 3 into x, because 2 power 3 is equal to 8, and that is 2 power y. So you can write this 2 power 3x divided by 2 power y, and you can also write this, the power are equal, oh sorry, bases are equal, so you can write this 3 power x minus 2 power y. So 2 power 3x minus y. Now 3x minus y value has been given, which is equal to 12. So you can write this 2 power. So A is the right option. Okay. This is interesting question. Percentage and geometry. Question number 5. A rectangular was altered by increasing its length by 10%. Okay. And the decreasing its width by 9%. So you know that your original area, the first was original area, find original area. That is original one. I'm writing as O, length into width. So this is the formula of rectangular area. Now the length new, so we are saying Ln, which is equal to what? Equal to 10% of its length. So that will increase by 10% of original value. So we can write it 1.1 of L. And width become, they are saying decreasing by p%. We are not given percentage of width. So we will write this, if it is decreasing by p, so we will say that that will be decreased by 100 minus p. So 100% is equal to 1 minus p of width. And the area, new area, is decreasing by, what is it, decreased by 12%. So we will write that it will decrease by 0.88 of length into width. Okay, so we can write this in this form. Area is equal to length into width. So 0.88 length into width, which is equal to what? L. So we can cut down over there length and a width, and 0.88 is equal to multiply 1.1 minus 1.1 p. So if you cut over there, so that will be become 1.1. Let me simplify more for you. So you will, what you will do, you will 1.1 p is equal to 1.1 minus 0.88. So that will become, okay, and if you find the p value over there, that will be equal 30. So guys, these are the 5 most difficult questions in practice SAT practice test that is uploaded on the college website. So I tried my best to make it very much simpler for you guys. So make sure that check out these questions before appearing to the college board exams, because it's expensive exam. So it means you must make sure that you should go these questions. And if you really like our solutions and the content, so make sure to subscribe our channel. We need your support. And hit the bell button so that you can get the notification of our next videos. And stay tuned with prep lab. Thank you.